It's me. I'm back filming. I know it's been a hot minute, but this time it wasn't entirely my fault. This year has honestly been the hardest year of my life. I had to close my wig business earlier this year due to unforeseen circumstances, and I've just been going through a lot of different things in my personal life, was going through things with my business as well. I'm happy to be here filming for y'all today. I'm grateful to still be alive and on this earth. I appreciate all of you who have wished me well and have kept me in their prayers. I still need to be kept in your prayers. I really do appreciate that, y'all. Things have been rough, but I wanted to get back on here and film for you guys, not just for you, but also for me, because this used to be therapy for me, just like filming, playing in makeup. It's been a hot minute since I've done anything to my hair, since I've wore makeup, since I've dressed up. Um, yeah, I just haven't been feeling like myself this year, and it feels great to just sit down and film for y'all. I know my mood is a little, maybe, I'll ease back into it, but I don't want to front like things are all good when they're really not, y'all. But I just want to say, please keep me in your prayers, and I hope that each and every one of you guys has been doing well, and I pray that everyone is doing well, and if you're not, I'm going to keep y'all in my prayers as well. Alright, don't want to do any crying in this video. If you are still subscribed to my YouTube channel, I really appreciate it. I know I have been just so inconsistent for the past like 3 years. I would say I've just been, since 2020, I've been inconsistent as hell on this channel. I am not gonna make any promises moving forward, because every time I do, they get broken, and I don't want to be that person anymore. I'm just happy to be back filming today, and I wanted to do this look for you guys. I feel like I haven't done a look like this before. Maybe I have, because I've been on YouTube for a long ass time, but I feel like I haven't. This is the vibe we're going for. I knew I wanted to wear pink today, so I was like, I want to do like a purpley pink look. I don't want to talk too much, but I felt like I needed to talk a little bit more in this video. If you would like to see this look right here, you know what to do. Definitely stay tuned. So I love to double prime. I'm first going in with the Smashbox Primer Water. After that, I am using the Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Makeup. Both of these combined are so amazing as a foundation base. And I am going in with one of my favorite Holy Grail foundations. This should be no surprise to you guys. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade New Caledonia. Y'all, this foundation used to be too dark for me, and now it is like 1 to 2 shades too light. This Georgia sun has been tanning the heck out of my skin, y'all. It's crazy. So I finally have a new bronzer that I'm using today. This is the NARS Laguna Bronzing Cream in the shade Laguna 05. And y'all, I have been using the Black Radiance foundation stick for a hot minute, but this one, I think I'm loving it, y'all. I used it on my cheekbones, on my jawline, and on the bridge of my nose just to warm up those areas. So next we are highlighting, and I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Caramel number 40, and I'm highlighting underneath my eyes to add brightness there, also to cancel out any darkness, the bridge of my nose, above my cupid's bow, my chin, and on my forehead. And I'm going to blend this out with a new sponge that I have. I saw this at Walgreens. It is the e.l.f., I believe it's e.l.f., their concealer sponge. So I was super excited for the size of the sponge. It's super easy to just like blend out everything as opposed to the full size. So yeah, I have not really been wearing makeup lately. So when I saw this in the store, I was like, I gotta try this baby out. And I really like it. So I just use my sponge for pretty much the rest of my face, but underneath my eyes, I go back and forth between the sponge and the foundation brush just to make sure I get everything blended out so flawlessly, y'all. So next, I'm setting all the areas that I highlighted with the concealer using the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder in the shade number 2. Listen, with this summer heat here in Georgia, I have to do this. If I don't, my concealer will crease up something fierce and it's not a cute look, okay? So I am back to applying mascara through my brow hairs just to darken them a bit. Now it's time to fill in these brows. I always do the tails first just because I barely have like any hair there. So I'm using the Benefit Brow Contour Pro pencil. This is the brown black deep one, and I first start off with the deeper shade, and I'm applying this to the outer about 3/4 of my brow, and then towards the center of my brow, I am going to use the lighter shade. It's still a darker brown, but it's just a lighter color than the outside. So it gives it kind of like a contour effect, and I really love this. If you are interested, I'm not sure if this brow pencil is still available. This is something that I had from PR from a while ago, but I will have all the products listed down below for you guys. And I'm just running the Benefit Brow Gel through my brows to keep them in place. Now I'm cleaning up underneath my brows with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 40 Caramel. And I'm using a small concealer brush, and then I will be using a Kat Von D brush just to blend it out on my eyelids to make everything look smooth, flawless, and ready for eyeshadow, y'all. So now it's time to set the entire face with powder. I'm using the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin powder in the shade R520, and I'm just pressing everything into my skin, y'all. I rarely swipe away the baking powder anymore. I feel like this gives me a more flawless look, especially during that summer heat. And I'm going over the areas that I bronze with cream bronzer, and I'm using a powder. This is the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mommy bronzer. I've been loving this one for a hot minute now, y'all. I just absolutely love this color. If y'all have any other bronzers you think I should try, let me know in the comments down below. So your girl is back into blush again. This is the Kat Von D Lolita blush. It's an eyeshadow too, but I like using it as a blush, y'all. It is super, super pigmented, but I've been loving a matte blush lately. And for highlighter, I am using the ColourPop The Real Thing Super Shock Highlighter. And I've been loving this color as well. This is a new highlighter for me, but it's not new. It's just new to me. But I love this on all the high points of my face. I know, I'm just like all over the place. I don't have like a rhyme or reason as to the order I'm going in today. I just did whatever I was feeling. So I am using two NYX butter glosses. The first shade I used is Cinnamon Roll, which is a nice nude, and the second shade is Fortune Cookie. And now let's get into this eyeshadow. I used the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette for all of the eyeshadow that I did today. So the first shade that I'm using from this palette is called Bing, and it is a matte, kind of dusty rose purple shade. And after that, I'm going in with a deeper matte plum shade, and this one is called Devilish. And after that, we are going in with a deep matte chocolate brown color, and this shade is called Privacy, and I'm deepening up the crease with this shade until I get the desired depth that I want there. So next I'm going in with a shimmery champagne peach shade on my eyelids, and this one is called Bang Bang, and I'm just applying this with a stiff eyeshadow brush. Underneath my eyes, I am going in with the same matte shades that we used in the crease, just to deepen up underneath our eyes and give it a little bit of shape.
So y'all know I had to go in with some wing liner. I'm using the NARS Climax liquid eyeliner in explicit black. This is my first time using this liquid eyeliner, and I have to say that I really like it and it's super easy to use. If y'all have tried this, let me know what y'all think about it. So next up, I'm applying black pencil liner to my inner waterline, and this is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Perversion. This is like their darkest, deepest black. It's even darker than their zero shade. I'm getting my lashes ready for false lashes by applying mascara. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara, and I'm using my current favorite pair of lashes. I get them from my local beauty supply store. If you need help applying lashes, I will link a tutorial down below for you guys, and also the link to the lashes I'm wearing if I can find one, along with the name. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box down below. And lastly, I'm bathing in makeup setting spray, y'all. You know how I do, okay?
I had so much fun filming this look for you guys. If you enjoyed this makeup look, please give your girl a thumbs up if that's still a thing. I don't know. Like this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let's like get a little dialogue going on in the comment section. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace.